I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: the VPN type, server address, and credentials, so let's start. Open Settings and go to VPN or VPN and Device Management now. Tap Add VPN Configuration. Choose the type ICAV2, IPsec, or L2TP because protocol affects security and speed. Enter the server address and remote ID exactly, then fill username and password fields. If your provider gave a shared secret or certificate, add it here. Once done, save the new configuration and don't connect yet. We still need one more setup step. Now you configure the finer points that determine success. Select the identity certificate if you use certificate-based auth, otherwise input the shared secret in the authentication field. Make sure remote ID matches the server certificate. Mismatch causes rejection. Choose Send All Traffic to route everything through the VPN unless your admin specifies split tunneling. Tap Done to validate fields. iOS will check format. If you see errors, double-check case sensitivity and trailing slashes in the server address before attempting to connect. You're at the finish line. Toggle the VPN switch to connect and watch for the VPN badge in the status bar. Once connected, verify access by opening an intranet page or using an IP check to confirm your traffic is routed correctly. If it fails, disconnect and reopen the configuration to recheck server address, remote ID, credentials, and certificate validity. Also make sure date/time are accurate on your iPhone. Incorrect time breaks certificate validation. If problems persist, contact your VPN admin with a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.